Hi, my name is Arne Burns, and I'm a community worker with the University of Illinois Extension. And today I will be demoing how to make apple nachos. So let's go ahead and get started. First, let's tie our hair back so it's out of the way. Next, we want to make sure that the area that we'll be preparing our recipe is nice and clean. So we'll spray and wipe down the area and then move on to our next step. Lastly, we're going to wash our hands for, you guessed it, 20 seconds with soap and water. Now that we've done all the prep work, let's go ahead and talk about what ingredients we'll need for today. Here are the list of ingredients. Please pause at any moment to take note of them. So, for today's recipe, you'll need apples. Now, since it's just me eating this snack for today, I just cut up one apple here. You'll need some mini chocolate chips, some dried cranberries or raisins, a little bit of lemon juice, and then our peanut butter and honey mixture that you put in the microwave to get this nice kind of goopy texture. So the first thing that we'll do is that we know that when we cut apples, sometimes they get a little brown after. So we would take our lemon juice and pour it ever so delicately on our apples here, just to make sure that they don't brown too much. And now let's go ahead and plate our mixture so we can see what it looks like. Okay, so first things first, I'll take my apples here and I'll just dump them on my plate. And it's okay if you get a little bit of lemon juice, no harm, no foul. Next, I'm going to take my peanut butter honey mixture, take a little spoonful here, and I'm going to drizzle that all over my apple slices. Ooh, I just know this is going to be good. I'm just going to do one little more dollop because, yes, excellent. Then next, we'll take our dried cranberries, and I'll just sprinkle some in there, just a little. All right, it's looking good so far. And then lastly, I have my dark mini chocolate chips. So I'll go ahead and sprinkle just a pinch of those, not too much, not too much, still a healthy snack. And that's it. It's as simple as that. Well, it looks like you guys almost caught me mid-bite, but that's okay. I just wanted to immediately dive into this nice healthy snack. For more ideas for healthy snacks or even meals for your families, you can visit our Eat, Move, Save website, and I will post the link here below. Thank you guys so much for joining me for this quick food demo, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye and enjoy.